You don't mind talking about what happened, do you? I mean, as long as you're okay with it, then okay.
No, it's perfectly fine.
Storm, pick whichever seat you want. Wait, I think you. It's fine. I'm sure the dogs can find their way up here. Okay. So, before we.
It'll become magic. It just teleports the way up here.
Yeah, they have a way of doing that. I don't know how. Actually, before we start off with what happened to us, are you a Steve or an Alex?
Neither. I'm a player that, it's kind of like an entity, but without powers.
Ah, I see. You don't work for Free, do you?
I said who is 303.
Okay.
How am I supposed to work for someone I don't even know?
Okay, good. I'll tell you about him in just a second. I'm gonna let Storm finish first.
I don't even hurt anyone.
Okay, good. Neither have I.
Yeah, players are somewhat, kind of rare, I guess?
Storm, did Mom ever tell you what these players are? She didn't get to tell me. One of the many secrets I guess I'll have to find out later since she died.
Oh God. I'm so sorry for your loss.
Okay, so here's what happened basically. So, you know what villages are, right? I'm assuming. So, so each Steve, which is what we are, each Steve has their own village. We lived in a Blue Steve village, and we can have multiple villages, not just one. We lived in a pretty small one. It wasn't like too awful grand or anything. But we knew everybody there. Everybody knew us. We were all friends, whatnot. And my parents / Storm's mom, adopted dad, lived in that village as we did. We grew up together fine and whatnot. We had friends, normal stuff. But one day, someone by the name of Entity 303, we don't really know who he is. He's just an entity. And he came, destroyed our village, killed pretty much everyone we knew, including his mom, my mom, and his adopted dad, my dad, basically. And he killed everyone we knew as well, basically. And we had to live on our own because we went to another village, which was a Red Steve village, and since Blue / Ice Steves don't really get on with the Red Steves, they kind of fruit us out, bullied us, and we basically made this house in the wood, isolated ourselves, and we've been living here for about almost a month and a half, basically. So that's pretty much what happened.
Oh my.
Yeah, it's not been an easy process, but it...
so sorry.
Yeah, that might have been why Storm was a little scared of you, because of what the trauma happened, and then Nightmare Steve showing up didn't really help. So, to be fair, I have no idea if Nightmare Steve and NT303 work together, even know of each other, whatnot, but yeah. So... I'm guessing you heard about Nightmare Steve since you called him a wannabe ruler. I'm guessing you heard some of his stories.
Oh, trust me, I know about him.
Yeah, he's honestly
It was funny calling him a wannabe ruler.
Indeed. Yeah, I mean, Nightmare Steve's been a thorn in the Steve side, but in my opinion, 303 is worse. So, if you want a description on what 303 looks like, he wears a white cloak entirely just black skin with red eyes. So if you see someone with that description, it's probably 303, and it would be best to stay away from him.
Alright.
So, yeah.
Don't worry. Trust me. Anyone bad, I stay away from them.
I mean, it's just better to stay away from him than to, like, try to, because he just came in there and destroyed our village for practically no reason. So, and we've had to start life out completely. He's 8 and I'm 16, so we're just getting life started, I guess, kind of cut off since, I mean, Mom didn't even get to tell me about players, so that's why we don't really know what a player is, so.
Well, I can try my best to explain what they are more.
Okay, because I'm sure Mom or Dad probably knows what you players are, but since they didn't get to explain that to us, you good, Storm?
He just was swimming on his feet.
It's fine.
Is that seat okay?
Yeah, we're not.
Help.
Yeah, we're not honestly sure. But yeah, our parents never got to explain to us what players are, so that's why we're a little confused. It is a little weird.
Yeah, I say the chair's a little odd.
Yeah, it's definitely odd. So, yeah.
Well, again, players have different genders, female, male.
Oh, so like Steve's, okay.
And a female.
Yeah, I can kind of tell.
And as you can see, players do not have powers.
Yeah, I can see that. I mean, to be fair, some Steves don't either, but most of us do. Storm actually doesn't have any abilities yet. He's too young. And plus, he didn't... I only just got abilities. I didn't get to learn what they are until I did it myself. Because, again, my parents / his parents didn't get to teach us that. Because of, So, yeah.
This place might not be that safe anymore.
Yeah.
Not going in.
Let me go get that healing potion upstairs and let me heal myself real quick, because I am a little banged up from the fight, and then afterwards we can. I'm gonna put that
don't
potion
let me just playing around with the door.
Okay. Are you sure you don't want, like, any other food, like cookies and whatnot? Because I have some cookies up here. There we go. I'm just gonna put that there. Yeah. I'll grab these cookies for... you want some cookies? I have 4.
Okay, fine, don't worry.
Okay.
I'm just only having bread.
Alright, as long as you're sure. Storm, where are the dogs? I kind of think we should, if we're gonna go on an adventure, it'd probably be best to bring them. Are they still downstairs? There we go. Stupid door. Oh, geez, we need to get that door fixed.
Iron doors like a word.
I don't...
Where did Storm's dog go?
Yeah, I don't see him down here. Storm, your dogs aren't down here. Oh, okay, well here's one of them. Looks like we found Winter. Outside. Okay. Alright. Well, at least now we know where they are. Okay, so
outside.
are we ready to go then? Let me. Oh wait, it's night.
Yeah.
Actually, let me get you an extra bed. Hold on. I could not get. Let's see.
Our advantage.
Dang, it doesn't look like we have any extra beds in here. Crap. I thought we had an extra. Nothing here. Hold on. I'm gonna have to generate a bed with powers.
Okay. I have to stop record. I have to stop record.
I managed to,
I was gonna say.
Here's a bed for you. Hold on, let me, give it to you. Here you go. You can come up, you can come upstairs, actually. We have a room. Okay. Yeah, in here. You can sleep. You can sleep
I
right
don't
here.
really mind sleeping downstairs.
No, it's fine. We don't mind. So. Alright, everybody, let's get good sleep tonight, and then, we'll head off on an adventure tomorrow.
In a minute. I'm gonna go outside.
Okay. Yeah, okay, Storm, just get your dog set down, and then we can go to bed for the night. Alright.
Okay, guys, so I guess I missed some people sleep. And
Alright, have a good night, Storm. See you in the morning.
we all are